decide to change some of the default preferences for your Act installation. So in this video, we're going to work with modifying some basic Act preferences. To locate the Preferences area, just go to your Tools menu at the top, and then towards the bottom, click Preferences. This opens up the Preferences window, and using the tabs at the top of this window, you can change many of the default settings in Act to suit your needs. For example, let's say we want to make a change to the alarm setting before appointments, calls, and meetings. Let's go to the Calendar and Activities tab to locate that. And then from here, I'm going to click the Activity Preferences button. First, I'm going to select Appointment at the top, and then I want to change my alarm from 5 minutes to 30 minutes. I can then do the same thing for calls and for meetings. Now keep in mind, this is only going to change the default setting for all future appointments, calls, and meetings that we create. It will not automatically add an alarm for any activities that are already on our calendar, although we can still change each one of those individually if we want. Okay, my activity preferences are set, so I'm going to click OK. Next, let's make sure that the default word processor that Act uses is set to Microsoft Word. To do this, we'll click the Communications tab at the top, and because we already have Microsoft Office installed on all of our machines, we want to use Microsoft Word as the default. That way, when we do things like mail merges and quote creations, it's going to launch Microsoft Word for those tasks. So we'll leave that selected. And next up, let's say that we don't want our team to see the Act welcome screen first when Act launches. To change this, we'll go to the Startup tab at the top, and then locate the Startup View dropdown. I'm going to change this from the welcome screen to my monthly calendar. Now I'll click Apply to accept that change, and let's click OK to exit the Preferences window. Now let's just exit Act to see how these changes affect us. When I launch Act again, I will immediately see that the monthly calendar is what appears first. Also, if I schedule a call, I should see that my ring alarm now defaults to 30 minutes.